Hi, this is Naveen from Just Lead Market. Today, I will walk you through a checklist process that we have followed multiple times to recover our Google Map business listings. And this is pretty effective process to make sure that your the maps listing doesn't get suspended. And if it gets suspended, then what are the steps that you need to perform in order to make sure that it don't get happen again? So these are the kind of steps that you need to make sure in a business, understand the business guidelines, the content guidelines, and I will attach the link of this checklist in the video description. The business description and what are the procedures that you need to follow in order to make sure that business description is according to the SOPs and processes. And the rules, like for example, if you're entering a business rule, it has to be consistent. The business address, the hours, everything has to be clear inside your maps listing. Yeah, so this is a detailed checklist that needs like enough time to explain. So I think it's pretty much self-explanatory. And apart from this, the other checklist things are pretty much easier and clear. For example, you need to make sure that your maps listing is claimed and verified. Name, address, and phone numbers are consistent across website, pages, social networks, everywhere, and your maps listing. The category selection has to be very sensitive that you should be choosing it wisely. The optimization business information, like in notes, everything is described in details, like optimizing the business name, descriptions, and details in the Google Maps listing with the relevant keywords and relevant description. The photos, like for example, in photo section, you cannot add the CCTV images because they lead to suspensions. You need to be having really genuine images. The rating process has to be very well managed, and you have to be properly answering the reviews and everything. You have to be conscious about the citations of your Google Maps listing, and you need to fill in the FAQ section and answer all the generally asked questions. So this is all the process with self-explanatory explanations that you need to follow to make sure that you are on top of the mass listing. And we have used this process a couple of times to make sure that the business listing gets recovered. So I will attach the link of this sheet in the description so that it can help you to recover if your match listing if it happens to you again. Thank you.